G'day guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm King Dino, and on today's episode, this is exciting. I am going down to check out a camper van that I could even be leaving a deposit on, and I'm excited. It is 5:30 a.m. in the morning and I'm up early because it's going to be a 4.5 hour drive to go to this van. So before I get started, if you can possibly go down the bottom, ring that bell, like us, subscribe, share, tell everyone about us, that'd be great. Now, let's get on with this adventure. Come on! 2.5 hours now. And I've just arrived in this little town and I've got myself, look at this cup, how cute is that? Got myself my coffee, and I couldn't help myself on my little adventure by myself to get a pie, even though it's only 10 in the morning. You know, these little towns in Victoria and even around Australia are so well known for their pies. Anyway, get back on the road. 2.5 hours to go till we get to see the van. Whew, let's do this. Just arrived to that place where I'm going to go check out the van. About to go in. I'm very excited. If this looks good, I'm putting my deposit down today. All right, let's go inside and check it out. All right, so we have made a decision, and this is our new
just do that, and that capsule comes out, and that's our waste.
I can't believe it. It's done. I've left my deposit. I'm so excited. I got to FaceTime Adam, took him on the same tour I just took you on, and yep, loved it. Got to take it for the test drive, got up to 100 Ks on the freeway. It drove like a gem. Very happy. Now just got to wait until it gets its roadworthy, and then we can pick it up. So in about 3 weeks time, and yeah, just really happy. It looks good, it's clean, it's ready to go, and here comes our adventures of van life. I can't believe this, it's happening. I'm so excited. All right, guys, thanks for coming along with this adventure, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.